Hi everybody, sanibonani. Welcome to my channel. Igama lami Ntando Mdletshe, and on this channel siyasibuka ama-reality shows ethu ala eMzansi bese sizala sokhuluma ngawo lama shows. Siyaphinda-ke futhi sikhulume ngama-celebrities kanye nama-YouTubers ethu ala eMzansi. If it is your first time joining me today and you think this is the channel for you, there is a subscribe button la ngezansi. Also, there is a join button if you want to join the membership. There's a thanks button if you want to thank the channel ngemali. Kanti-ke futhi you can like the video and also watch my adverts on this video to support the channel. So you guys, there's an article written by Ngiba for Zimoja talking about what's happening with Real Housewives of Durban, and I'm going to read it and tell you what I think about it. Okay, so it says here RHOD extra Sane said to be produced as a favorite. Okay, so listen, maybe Uthio doesn't watch enough Real Housewives because we do not call them extras, we actually call them the friends of the show. So Sane is a friend of the show actually. Okay, it says the Real Housewives of Durban's Sane Bhengu, who was initially on the show as an extra, seemed to be taking a center stage on the reality show. Following a stint as an extra on the show wants the celebrity chef to replace the actress and singer Mbali Ngiba as one of their main stars. According to the sources close to the production, Bhengu, whom the show thought was just going to be an extra, became more popular than Mbali because of the storyline and the realness. Many viewers were complaining about her boring storyline. Sane turned out to be more dramatic and exciting than Mbali. Now the show bosses want to dump her for Sane, said one source. According to the source close to the situation, producers are contemplating killing her storyline because she is boring and does not have content. She basically has nothing to offer, and the producers are planning to let her go. Okay. Another source said that the show has been shooting for weeks now with no sign of Mbali. We suspect that they finally dropped her. She was the weakest link in the cast. She was boring and has not shot in weeks, but instead Sane has been busy almost every week. Zimoja has learned that production is currently on a break and will come back for the reunion. The source has also learned that Mbali does not like Sane as she feels that she is taking her spot. She is threatened by her presence also because she is aware of the fact that Sane is the producer's favorite, you guys. And then they go on to talk about the introduction of Sane, that confrontation that happened between her and Londi London, you guys. Listen, I don't know, you guys, if you guys believe that this source is really telling the truth when they say that Sane is the producer's favorite, and but I do feel like Usane was likely the producer's secret card. Okay, they wanted drama this season. I think they brought her for that, and that's exactly what she brought on the show. And of course, you guys, I think that Usane has participated much more than Mbali has on the show. I do feel like they should have given her a permanent cast member compared to Mbali, but I kind of understand why they thought maybe Mbali was going to be a better housewife than Usane, but it's not happening that way, because then the worst thing that you can get from a housewife is a housewife that does not show up to shoot the scenes, especially somebody that did not show up to take the trip. I don't know, guys. I'm not sure about this one issue here where they say that Mbali has an issue with Usane, especially because she thinks Usane is taking her spot. Because I feel like from all that we've seen, Mbali is one of those people that have not had, one of the few actually people that have not had an issue with Usane. She was actually the one that was trying to help Usane out, because they did have that sit down where she was trying to say to her, you know, this is what you need to do in order for you to be able to get back to the group and get along with everybody. But you guys, the season is not over, so I'm guessing that if they're saying that there is an issue between Usane Mbali, maybe we are still going to see it. She is coming Mbali, this episode that is coming out tomorrow, we are going to see her on that episode, and she's having conflict with somebody that I think might be Unonku, but we are still not sure. Maybe it is Usane, I don't know, you guys. But anyway, please tell me what you think about these articles. Do you think that these sources that are said to be close to production are really close to production, or people abasikhulumela nje into abangayazi? Anyway, you guys, please like the video before uphume kuyona, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Nginithanda kakhulu.